It's 1:15. Online, on DAB+, and on your smart speaker.
There's the truth, and the truth must come out.
Talk Radio.
A card has got your Christmas presents all wrapped up. From biscuit tins to novelty gins to glam makeup. Get your presents sorted now, that's one less thing to do.
There are anti-clockwise queues from the Ford Junction 3 for the M20 to the Dartford tunnels after an accident earlier. On the M4 at Bristol, the inside lanes closed westbound after an accident at Junction 19 for the M32, causing queues. And on the M6 in Cumbria, 2 lanes are closed southbound for emergency repairs between junctions 38 and 37 from Tebate to Kendal, causing queues. That's the latest. I'm
This is Talk Radio.
Across the UK, online, on DAB+, and on your smart speaker.
Ian Collins on Talk Radio.
Afternoon to you. This one in from Mark. I'm fed up of hearing people say this was always going to happen. It doesn't need to. If the French stepped up their efforts, this tragedy could have been avoided. Len says the French are very keen. At least then we can begin a sensible conversation and focus on these terrible deaths rather than politics. And I'm just looking, excuse me, at social media and all the various comments. Other than, I mean, there's a few people who are quite crass and casual about this, which is quite disturbing. But I think most people, even the most ferocious and loud voices about immigration, are saddened that 27 people have had to die. Perhaps in order to get financial and tax, of course.
I'm just checking ad hoc type of
these dreadful people who have as part of their business plan the possibility that a certain number of their passengers will die because they choose unsuitable boats
TKMaxx is following
and
me.
risk them in dangerous waters. So I do hope
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
French authorities will take enforcement of those kind of laws
Oh, TKMaxx.
seriously. And I do hope they will help us get up.
Here's a number, 10,000 people. Right, at least we know where we stand then. That's the number we're going to do to be nice and helpful and very kind to people. But the question ultimately, I think, comes down to how people feel about the status.
I'm full in signs that don't make any sense, is right.
The channel, and there is a view out there. Many people are not convinced about the refugee status of those coming over. They don't see it in optics. They're not sensing it in terms of subsequent stories. This seems to be something else going on here. And as
You know, that reminds me of this place, Bangin.
So I think that's where Pretty Hotel is a bit scuffed, because perhaps, I don't know, maybe in the Home Office's heart, they think, yeah, actually we should be taking to be there. It's far less than anywhere else. We're not more generous than other countries when it comes to what we give. So there's other reasons why these people want to be in this country. And yet to really wrap this debate up, 27 people end up in the channel dead. To take us
Like
to the
South End,
0344 499 1000. Back with more of your calls on Talk Radio next.
Online, on DAB.
Okay, Quinn has been videoing on the way down here. It's Thursday now, so we're on day 3 of our short break, and we're now in Yarmouth. Welcome to Great Yarmouth. There goes George, somewhere new for Georgie. Lovely old public toilets. Georgie's going to go into... George, you can't go in the ladies, George. Can't go in the ladies, boy. Fishing boat out there. More fishing boats. No, George, you can't go down there, George. As you can see, the beaches over here, this is 4 years in the Philippines, are man-made. They're not natural sandy beaches. Underneath this lot, the normal beach is just stones. As you get down to the, where the sea is, you start to get natural sand. But basically, this beach is all man-made. Not there's anything wrong with it, I'm not complaining. It's all the fishing boats all waiting to come in. And there's the Blot on the landscape, wind farms that are absolutely useless. It's always the wrong wind. There's Georgie down there. Where's Gracie? Here comes Gracie and Karina. Georgie's checking that she's okay. What, darling?
Like the one in Hawaii.
Yeah.
The one in Hawaii where
Yeah.
we have the dunes.
Yep.
Gracie, George, please don't do that to Gracie.
We were in the sound of the sea.
Oh, Gracie.
Just so you know, I mean, it is about 7 degrees. That's not taking into account the wind chill factor. So it's probably about 3 or 4.
That's cold.
Yeah, and I don't know if you heard that, Quinn said it's damn cold. Georgie's going to have a paddle until the wave comes in and you see him run. No, oh no, he's getting brave. He's getting brave now. Apart from that one. Alright, go, it didn't bother you, did it, girl? I just got a slightly wet foot. Did you get wet, Georgie? Georgie, get wet? Don't bother, Gracie.
Go again, Gracie. Again. Cold, Gracie, bloody. We did not bring any towels, darling.
No.
We need to buy an ancient towel in either Sainsbury or Matalan or somewhere.
Yeah. But yeah, Robinson's, buy one, get one free.
More expensive still.
Yeah.
Matalan.
Nicely, George. Nicely.
No. You're gutsy.
Apologies for the camera shake, folks. This is George pulling me.
George, darling. Stop now.
Come on in.
Were they able to get the combs?
No, they're coming down from now. They'll wait till you moved out of the way. That little one, look.
Talk Radio TV app or go to talkradio.tv. This is Talk Radio across the UK, online, on DAB+, and on your smart speaker. Ian Collins on Talk.
Oh, we're already in Matalan. It feels as though it's so far earlier.
It is Talk Radio. Back with more of your calls.
Join BT today. 24-month contracts, 95% UK coverage, CPI plus 3.9% increase each March. Now membership RRP $9.99 per month. Netflix basic plan RRP $5.99 per month. Terms apply.
This one,
Good luck to the upstarts.
To those that started before they were ready.
Because they knew if they hadn't,
they'd never have started at all. We're damn good at this in this country. Over 2,000 businesses are created every single day.
To get 25 months free day-to-day business banking with our business current account. Search Brighter Business Banking today. Backed by the current account switch service. Excludes chaps payments, other terms, eligibility and limits apply. Virgin Money is a trading name of Clydesdale Bank PLC.
What the hell?
Going down.
Hello there, hummingbird. I was just doing a bit of online shopping. Oh, using top cashback. I wasn't. Great reminder. You're right. I did earn £300 last year. Indeed. What to spend my cashback on? What's wrong with my jumper? Thousands of top UK brands pay us when you shop, and we share that cash with you. So, thinking of shopping online? Top cashback.
Dell Technologies' biggest business sale of the year has arrived. Help grow your business with top tech during our Black Friday event. Dell Technologies.
Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.